Hello everyone, this is Veronica with V's Crafty Corner. Welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you the packaging of a gift we're giving my son's teacher. We are currently with K-12 curriculum and we homeschool, so I thought that I would send her a gift for Valentine's Day. I've seen a vlogger vlog this, and I will link her channel in the description below. I forgot her name, sorry. However, when she made this for her husband, I thought, wow, my son's teacher would enjoy this. So here I am trying to figure out how to package the apple-shaped chocolate. And it is a hollow chocolate, so I wanted it to not break. So I added the air pillows, and here you see me adding tissue paper. And once I add the tissue paper, I'm going to add the air pillows, and then I'm going to add some table scatter, and that's glitter table scatter, followed with some confetti. I decorated this box using the Love and Devotion paper pad for Michael's and stickers by Recollections for Michael's. And so here you see me packaging the chocolate, and then I'm going to add the crinkle paper. A useful tip for this is don't use liquid glue. I would use snail adhesive or an ATG gun to adhere the cardstock, because I tried using my Tombow and I don't know, the glue didn't take. It kind of warped the box. Maybe because the box is from the Dollar Tree, who knows? But I found that my ATG gun was working best, so I started using that. And I used ribbon, and I also used washi for the inner seams. The washi also didn't work for me, so I ended up covering it with some ribbon. And I really enjoyed making this, and if you're homeschooling, hopefully you'll do the same for your child's teacher, if you're using a curriculum like K-12. And so here you see me trying to choose a sticker, and unfortunately I didn't choose the sticker that I pointed at. I chose another one, and it's just to secure the tissue paper together, and it just worked out in the end. And yeah, so I enjoyed making this, and hopefully it'll make her day. It would make my day. Thanks for watching. Bye.